What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video and review into Huck's World. Today I got an awesome free watch face that I think is worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store. Now I'm sending this out simply because this may go off sale tomorrow. I believe it's a promo, and if you're going to be going out to dress to impress, or you're just going to go out and rip up the town, maybe this watch face can fit into your plans. All right, with that being said, let's check out this awesome watch face. The name of the watch face is called MWF Shadow. It's a very nice looking analog watch face. It's geared toward fitness, and it has a nice premium look to it as well. Now in the AOD mode, you are going to get the same look, the same design, but it's going to be lit up in red. I thought it would have been black, but it's actually red, which looks a lot nicer. Once the watch face is on, you get an analog look. You got nice premium looking analog hands. You also got this unique index that's going around the bezel of the watch as well. You're going to get the day of the week down at the bottom. You're going to get your shortcuts going around the watch as well. And the watch face is geared toward fitness. Now, your date information is here. Battery info is over there. But let's go ahead. Let's check out the fitness. So if you want to, just single tap. Now, you got to tap exactly on it, or else you'll trigger the color. And you can also get your settings over here, and you got shortcuts going around the bezel of the watch. So if you need to go into your email, do the same thing, just do a single tap and it'll take you right into it, which I thought was pretty nice, right? But if you want to customize the color theme of the watch face, single tap in the middle. There you go with black, silver, red. That red looks really, really nice in person. Blue. And you also got this orange gold look. I thought it was nice. I thought it was worthy of a download. But the question is, at the end of the day, people, what do you think? Make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. I would like to know, are you going to download this watch face today, or are you going to try to wait till tomorrow to see if it's still free? All right, you all, that's going to be it. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day and or night. I'm going to see you all at the next video. Don't forget, hit the like button on the way out. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I shoot more videos out. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next one. Take care.